Hey kids, I'm gonna tell you a very special story today. A story about a man with a tall hat full of shining stars. His name is Uncle Sam, and he's got a big, bright secret hidden in his heart. Are you ready to find out what it is? Then listen carefully. One sunny morning, when the first rays of light touched the hills, Uncle Sam stepped out of his house. His blue coat shimmered in the sun, and his tall hat sparkled like the night sky. As he walked down the street, he saw a little boy named Tom sitting sadly by the sidewalk. Uncle Sam knelt down and asked softly, "What's wrong, my little friend? Why the long face?" Tom sniffled and said, "I'm too small to do anything. Nobody listens to me." Uncle Sam smiled and said, "Do you know why my flag has so many stars? Each star stands for someone who tried their best and never gave up on being kind." Tom blinked and asked, "Does that mean I can be a star too?" Uncle Sam laughed warmly. "Of course you can. If you're kind, if you never give up, and if you do one good thing every day, you'll shine just like a real star." That day, Tom went home with hope in his heart. Every day, he did one small kind thing. He helped a friend. He smiled at a neighbor. He shared his lunch. And each time, he felt a tiny light glowing brighter inside him. Years went by. Tom grew up, and one quiet night, he looked up at the sky. A brand new star was twinkling above him. The wind whispered softly, "See, you made it. You're shining because kindness." Kids, remember, every one of you can be a star too. Believe in yourself, be kind, and make the world a little brighter every day. If you loved Uncle Sam's story, don't forget to subscribe. And stay with us because the next adventure is going to be even brighter, bolder, and more magical.